কথা ভাৰতীয় লগত নাই ভাৰতীয় ঈশ্বৰকে কৰিছো হাতী ঈশ্বৰে মোক নথব ৰাখি
What's your name?
Georgina. Really great being here. We've had such a lovely warm welcome here.
It's very good. Excellent. Good, yes. It was very nice. They are very talented people, beautiful uniforms. Everything's good, but we do not have them young ones doing that in New Zealand the same as you have here. So we're thoroughly enjoying it.
From the UK in England.
How do you feel?
I feel good. I feel very good, thank you. It's really great being here. Really lovely to be in this environment and enjoy the festival.
What is your name?
Alison, 25:30.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
My name's Scotty, and I'm from the Bay of Plenty in New Zealand. We are dairy farmers, and we are enjoying the lovely hospitality you have and the culture that you've got here. We do have a number of Indians in our area, so I'll go back and tell them that I know a lot more about their culture than. It's been really great, and we've learnt a lot and seen a lot of wildlife today out in the game park.